Build anything with NotebookLM, apps, websites, training bots, reports, all free, no coding needed. This tool is insane. Most people have no idea what it can really do. Let me show you how to use it to automate your entire business. All right, let's talk about NotebookLM. Most people think it's just a chatbot. Wrong. It's way bigger than that. You can build apps, websites, training systems, reports, tools, all in minutes, and it's completely free. Let me break down exactly how to use it. First, what is NotebookLM? It's a research hub. You upload sources, videos, websites, Google Drive files, even text you copy and paste. Then NotebookLM turns all that into a knowledge base, like training data. Now you can ask questions, generate content, build tools, all based on your sources. Here's how it works. Step 1, create a new notebook. Click the button, give it a name. Now you add sources. You can upload up to hundreds of sources, PDFs, YouTube links, websites, Google Docs. NotebookLM reads everything, organizes it. Now you have a custom chatbot trained only on your content. No generic answers, just your stuff. This is huge for teams. Imagine a new member joins the AI Profit Boardroom. They have questions. Instead of slacking you all day, they ask the bot. The bot knows everything. It's trained on your exact processes, instant answers, zero hand-holding. But wait, there's more. NotebookLM doesn't just answer questions. It creates content. Click one button, choose what you want, slide decks, reports, study guides, blog posts, infographics, data tables, quizzes, flashcards, all generated from your sources. Let's say you uploaded content about AI automation for businesses. You can generate a full report, a briefing doc, a presentation, all customized. You pick the detail level, the language, the format. You can even change the orientation, portrait or landscape. This is perfect for creating lead magnets for the AI Profit Boardroom. Upload your best content, generate a free guide, give it away to attract new members. Boom! Content marketing automated. Now here's where it gets wild. You can connect NotebookLM to Google Gemini. This lets you build actual apps, tools, websites. 2 ways to do this. Free method, copy your notebook content, paste it into Gemini, start building. Paid method, if you have Gemini Ultra, you can directly connect notebooks. Combine multiple notebooks, create a business brain. Let me show you an example. Say you want to build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom, one that converts, shows the value of AI automation, explains all the benefits. You go into Gemini, use the info from your notebook. Gemini builds it live right in front of you. You can edit it, change colors, add sections, make it perfect. Then export the code, host it, done. Landing page built in 10 minutes. Now let's talk about building tools. NotebookLM plus Gemini is a SaaS factory. You can build calculators, internal tools, mini apps, all without writing code. Use Gemini Canvas. It's a workspace inside Gemini. You tell it what you want, it builds it. Let's say the AI Profit Boardroom needs a time savings calculator for showing people how much time they'll save with AI automation. You describe it, Gemini builds it, you test it, tweak it, export it. Now you have a tool you can share with your community, with new members, with your team. And here's the crazy part, you can build multiple tools at once. I've seen people build 3 or 4 apps in one session, all in under an hour. The key is using the right model. Gemini has 2 options, Fast and Pro. Fast is flash, it's quicker, often gives better results. Pro is slower, more detailed, but sometimes overkill. For most stuff, use Fast. It's faster and cleaner. Now let's talk about data. NotebookLM can handle heavy data, analyze it, turn it into tables. Let's say you have member data for the AI Profit Boardroom, engagement stats, sign-up numbers, participation rates. Upload it to NotebookLM, ask it to analyze trends, generate a report. It will create tables, charts, insights. You can even export to Google Sheets or turn it into an infographic. This is perfect for performance reviews, community reports, internal dashboards, all automated, no manual work. Now, here's another killer feature, sharing. Everything you build in NotebookLM can be shared. Notebooks, reports, tools, apps. Share with your team, share with community members, share with anyone. They can access it anytime, reuse it, build on it. This is how you scale knowledge. Instead of repeating yourself, you build once, share forever. For the AI Profit Boardroom, you could create a resource library, every tool, every report, every training bot, all in one place, all accessible. New members get instant value, old members stay engaged. Now let's talk about what you can actually build. Websites, landing pages, sign-up pages, opt-in pages, training bots, support bots, FAQ bots, reports, case studies, white papers, guides, tools, calculators, assessments, trackers, media, slide decks, infographics, social posts, all from one free tool. The possibilities are insane. And the best part is fast. Most builds take 10 minutes or less. You're not waiting hours. You're not hiring anyone. You're building, testing, launching all in real time. Here's another thing most people miss. You can use NotebookLM for research and learning. Let's say you want to understand a new AI tool or learn about automation strategies. You find articles, videos, tutorials, upload them all to NotebookLM. Now you have a custom learning assistant. Ask it questions, get summaries, generate study guides. You're learning faster because the information is organized. You're not jumping between tabs. Everything is in one place. This is perfect for staying updated in the AI profit boardroom. New tools come out every week. Upload the docs, create a notebook. Now your whole community can learn together. You can also use it for content creation at scale. Upload your best blog posts, your videos, your social media content. Now ask NotebookLM to generate new content in the same style. It'll match your voice, your tone, your messaging. You can create weeks of content in one sitting, posts for LinkedIn, threads for Twitter, scripts for YouTube, all consistent, all on brand. This is how you stay visible without burning out. You use AI to do the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy and growth for the AI profit boardroom. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. It's not. I've been using NotebookLM for months. I've built dozens of tools, apps, resources. It works. And it's only getting better. Google keeps adding features, more integrations, more power. If you're not using this, you're behind. Your competitors are. Your peers are. You should be too. Here's what I recommend. Start simple, create a notebook, add some sources, play around, ask questions, generate content, see what it can do, then level up. Connect it to Gemini, build a tool, build a page, share it with someone, get feedback, keep building. The more you use it, the better you get. And trust me, once you see what's possible, you'll never go back. This is the future of work. No code, no developers, no waiting, just you, your ideas, and AI. Build in whatever you need, whenever you need it.